guys, it's Michelle with Monarch Graphics and Design. I just wanted to make, I'm working on my ums, I swear. I wanted to make a quick video about showing you the difference between groupings and merging. Because so far, I've only been showing you how to merge. And that's not always what you want to do. A lot of times you can merge, it's no big deal. You know, you can do it. It's not a big deal. But what you depending on your project, you might want to group the items. So if you watched the previous video when I did the banner, you know that I did some playing cards and then we spelt out happy birthday. So I'm just gonna spell out, I'm not gonna spell out anything. I'm just gonna do ABC here. So I'm gonna do A, use my tool key, type the letter B, click on the check, click on the move tool, move it into place, use my arrow keys if I need to. Click on the tool, or the type tool, and click C. This one went behind, so all you have to do is drag it above. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, we linked these together so that you can move them without moving your letter and without, so you wouldn't lose your place. But then, once I got, let's link these all real quick. So B, control green, link, and A, control blue, link. So once I got them in place, because I had them up and down, once I got them in place, I went shift and I merged the layers. So that makes it all one. But now you can't go in and edit this. So I'm gonna Control Alt Z to get, out of this. Because what you really wanna do is group it. So down here on the bottom, there's these different, see here's the link. I was right clicking and linking layers, but you can do it here. You can get to the effects window or options this way. This is add a layer mask, which we haven't gone over yet. And then create or fill. Okay, and then right here though, it looks like a folder and it says create a new group. I'm gonna click on my top one. And then, so then it says group 1. You can rename it just like you do any of the letters. I'm not gonna rename it, but here, I'll just name it test. So then take your top layer or all the layers that you wanna move into this. I'm actually gonna name it group. Shift to select all the layers that you want to move into the group. Click and drag, and then you can tell that they're in there two different ways. They're indented, but then the other way is you click on this arrow and they disappear. So if you have a lot of layers, or like when we did the banner where there was lots of them, this is how you really want to do it, because this way, if I wanted to go in and edit the text or, move the card or whatever I wanted to do, I could. because I can unlink. Oh, I guess I have to have both of them selected. I can click these layers and I can unclick them, or unlink them, sorry. And then I can move them separately. So that's what you really want to do, is you want to create a group. So I just wanted to show you guys that really fast. For projects that would require this. Not all your projects are going to require something like this, but they might, like the banner. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you haven't seen the banner one, you can go check it out. It's kind of a long video, but you can skip through it if you don't want to learn everything, but I did cover a lot, so that's why it's so long. But you can at least go check it out and see what I'm talking about. So I guess that's it. This is just a little quick video about how to make groups. You just click on this down here, create a new group. All right, guys, because that's really what you want to do. You don't really want to merge the layers, because once you merge them, you can't really edit them. This way you can still edit them. So that's really what you want to do. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you, I was gonna say next week, but I'll probably just load this one up with one of my other videos because it's so short. I'll probably load it with the banner one. So they should both be up at the same time, so go check them out. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.